After careful consideration and the need to restrict movement even further, except for essential activities, the following changes will be effected. From Thursday, March 23, to Friday, March 26, the nightly curfew hours will remain at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following morning, ending at 5 a.m. on Saturday, March 27, 2021. So on Saturday, March 27, 2021, the curfew will begin at 12 noon and continue through the rest of Saturday and the entire day on Sunday. Let me say that again, the entire day on Sunday, and end at 5 a.m. on Monday, March 29, 2021. Please note that on Friday, March 26, 2021, workplaces will be required to close at noon, except for essential services, medical establishments, supermarkets, wholesalers, pharmacies, restaurants, and other food establishments, which will remain open up to the curfew time at 8 p.m. And this is to facilitate persons to conduct their shopping to prepare for the tighter weekend curfew. On Saturday, the curfew begins at noon. So you will have shopping time on Saturday from 5 a.m. to noon, or church time, or stay at home. I have discussed with the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health allowing vaccinations to take place, to continue to take place, because it is essential for our recovery. So the curfew then on the weekend coming starts at noon on Saturday. We go over into Sunday, and the curfew continues for the entire day on Sunday. There should be no movement for the entire day on Sunday, except those that are exempted and permitted. And then the curfew will end on Monday at 5 a.m. So we will have a lockdown essentially from noon on Saturday to 5 a.m. on Monday. Now, from Monday, March 29, 2021, to Wednesday, March 31st, 2021, the curfew will commence at 8 p.m. nightly to 5 a.m. the following morning, ending at 5 a.m. on Thursday, April 1. So essentially, you go back to regular curfew hours, which is from 8 p.m. starting on the day to 5 a.m. the following morning. So on Holy Thursday, which is one of our largest shopping days in the country, we will have businesses close at midday, which by and large, this is usually the practice. Some businesses do close early on Holy Thursday. So we will allow persons to have the option of doing their shopping from midday to 8 p.m. On the following Saturday, Friday, you're so right. Thereafter, the curfew, which would have started at 8 p.m. on Thursday, will continue throughout the entire day on Good Friday. And it will end at 5 a.m. on Saturday, April 3, 2021. So Holy Thursday, curfew starts at 8, but businesses would end at 12 to allow for shopping midday to 8. The curfew will extend throughout all of Good Friday and would end 5 a.m. on Saturday. On Saturday, April 3rd, the curfew will begin at noon and continue through the rest of Saturday, the entire Easter Sunday, and the entire Easter Monday, and it will end at 5 a.m. on Tuesday, April 6, 2021. The curfew will commence at 8 p.m. on the days after, ending 5 a.m. the following day. So, essentially, what we are announcing is a lockdown for the weekends, and for the Easter holiday, a full lockdown as well. On Saturday, April 10, 2021, the curfew will begin at noon and continue through the rest of Saturday and the entire day on Sunday, and end at 5 a.m. on Monday, April 12, 2021. On Friday, April 9, 2021, workplaces will be required to close at 12 noon to facilitate persons to conduct their shopping to prepare for the tighter curfew hours. So effectively, we have given 3 weekends of weekend lockdown, inclusive of the Easter holidays.